Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my health and wellness planner for the week of March 31st through April 6th using this fun kit from Plan My Stickers. Okay, y'all, first of all, I know my nails are back to normal because I had meant to film this video before Friday evening and my nails came off. So now they're back to normal, but don't worry, I will be doing new nail color for this next week. So you will see pretty nails. I'm having a lot of fun doing my nails and it is very therapeutic. And it's actually part of my self-care now. So now that I'm actually able to do my nails, I'm going to try as much as I can to do it as many times as possible. So that out of the way, this is the kit that we have. This is a printable kit that I had from Planning with Renee, or Plan My Stickers, or whatever her handle was when I was on her PR team. She no longer has a shop open, but this was like a springtime florally kit that I thought would be cute to use in my health planner. As you can see, it's cut up into different sections so that I could fit it into my sticker book, but I'm going to be using that for the decoration, and then I have some boxes for functionality. And of course we have this washi tape. It's kind of got this like chevron-y kind of look to it, if you can't see. So I really liked that. I thought it would be cute to use, and I thought it would match the colors. So let's go ahead and get started. So how has y'all's March been? How did you enjoy the month? March was a, oh goodness, is this one of those washi tapes that just hates me and won't pull up? Okay, no, we're good. Anyway, March was a pretty chill month for me. As you guys know, if you have been following me for a little bit, I did move back home to kind of get some finances in order. So, I've been spending the last couple of weeks kind of getting used to my new job, which, if you did not know, I am going to be, well, I am, not I'm going to be, I am a substitute teacher, and I'm very excited about it. I have been, I was really nervous on my first day, you guys, like super nervous, but I didn't let anybody see that I was nervous, you know, because you can't do that. But after like the first couple of hours, I kind of got into the routine and I was like, okay, cool. So this is how it's going to be. You know, I kind of got used to the structure of everything, and it was really good. And I am excited about this week coming up for all of the fun things that are going to be happening, because I know of one place that I'm going to be. I'm going to move my camera up a little bit because I feel like I am cutting everything off. A little bit better there. Perfect. Anyways, I feel like I am going to be just in a really good area, and I don't know. I feel like it's going to be a good week, but we will see. Okay, so we have all of these fashion boxes, and I'm thinking that for most of these, we are going to put little decorations over it. So I'm thinking like something like this. Maybe have her on the sidebar, kind of like doing her thing. And then maybe one over here. I'm thinking that would be fun. I don't know if I like that one though. Let's try, I just dropped it right on the floor. I threw it. Let's try that one. And we have a ton of these like paper scraps too, which I think is really cool. Now this girl is the same, so we might not use her. She's the same as this one here, so I might not use her. But the rest of this is really cute. Honestly thinking of just putting these, you know, scattered, wow, scattered, not skeltered. Words are difficult. Scattered everywhere on the page so that it can be a cute fun thing. And I think we're just going to do a little rippage and have that piece up there. And maybe we will layer this piece. I don't know if I like that though. Maybe we'll put this piece down here. What do you guys think? I actually kind of like that. So these are removable stickers. Well, let me rephrase that. I printed these on printer paper when I was on her team because I knew I wanted to be able to stick these down easy. And I think that this is just such a fun kit. I've had this for about a year now because I got it right when she was, you know, closing down or transitioning from one site to another, and then she closed down her shop. But I had these just in my stash, and I was like, oh, you know, it's springtime was over at that point, so I was like, I guess I'll just hold these for next year, and here we are. Alright, so I talked about this a little bit in my planning video for the month of April, but I have some health goals that I want to get done, and I'm going to start with those this week. Well, firstly, let me say what this week is going to hold for me. I am going down to my sister's place because we are doing some sort of ceremony. My dad has this really cool ceremony that he's going to be in, and it's a huge honor. So we are all, well, most of us. I don't think my other sister is going to be able to come because she was not able to get the time off. But the sister that I lived with in my old place, she was able to get the time off, and she's going to come and with us, and we are going to celebrate him, and hopefully things will, it's supposed to be like a ceremony for like the best in what he does, and I'm not really going to say what he does because it's kind of like a local thing that we that my dad is in, and if I say what it is, you'll know, you know, where I live, and I don't really, it's not, that's not something you guys need to know. But in his job, he is a he's hoping to get a really cool award because he was honored for something, and I honestly, I would tell you what it is, but I don't remember. I'm a terrible daughter. But we're going to my sister's to celebrate that because it's kind of near, the awards area is kind of near her place, so we're going to stay with her. And then we'll come back on, I'm trying to figure out where I want to put this. Oh, I could probably do something like that. Oh, that's too close. We'll do it over here. We're coming back on Sunday because my mom and I both have to work on Monday, obviously. But April 4th is my dad's birthday. I am not getting him anything for his birthday this year because we are taking him, my sister that I used to live with and we are taking him to Alaska next year in the summer for his birthday. And that is going to be, oh, there's those stickers. I couldn't remember where I put them. That is going to be his birthday present, and his Christmas present. But I was like, you know, maybe I'll treat you to dinner or something for your birthday when we are down there. So we shall see what, you know, what the tide brings. I don't know if I want to put this one here, but we will see. I think I am going to add this guy over here on this side somewhere because I can put a sticker over it. So that's what's happening this this week. So some of the goals that I had that I was talking about is to be more active, and part of that I can't really do right now because of just some other things going on, but I want to be like more physically active, and I want to eat better. So I've got to start writing down my food again, and I have been doing a pretty good job of it, but I kind of slacked off when I started, you know, when I moved here because I was, you know, unpacking and we were getting ready for things and we were moving all of my stuff, and then school started and I had to get that set up. So it's been a transition for me from going to, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I've got to start writing down my food again. So that's something that I want to get accomplished this week. That's one of the main things I want to do, is to make sure I write down my food. I would like to go on a couple of walks. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, just because this week is going to be super busy. But we will see. That will be a work in progress. Because where I am living is a really, really nice area, and it's very, you know, very bright, and, you know, it's a good place to just like take a walk. So I'm hoping that that will be something that I can do soon. We will have to, you know, we'll have to see about that, but that's the plan. That's my hope for this week, is to just get back into the routine, get back into all of my health goals. And another thing that I wanted to do was, oh, this is going to go here. This is going to be my motivation for the week. I'm going to have a motivation sticker each week so that I can keep myself accountable. This is coming along very nicely. I need to add more washi because I feel like this yellow is just not doing enough, and I need to add more. So I want to write down my food. I want to be a little bit more active, whether it's, you know, walking or just, you know, walking around the classroom or whatever, you know, because you got to do that. Make sure they're not on their phones and things, you know, the typical things. But I also want to try to find ways to keep myself motivated on my goals, because like I said, I do have I do want to lose some weight, and I want to be happier, and I need to find a way to bring that motivation forward, you know? So those are my goals for this week. I do have a lot for the month, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to share an after the pen of my goals section for the month of April, but if I can, I will. We're just, honestly, we're just gonna have to see what the month brings, and if there's anything personal that I can share, because I don't want to share, you know, personal stuff in too much detail, you know what I mean? Then the last thing I'm going to do is take these guys. These are habit trackers, and I'm going to just put them on the edge here because I do want to make sure I am doing the correct habits and such. These two are, one of them is going to be just to make sure that I take my vitamins, because I do forget. This one is going to be my water tracker, just to make sure I'm drinking water. I can actually show you. I have this really big water bottle that we got on sale, and I was so excited about it. It is this kind of one where it has like the tracking of like keep going, and it is a 42-ounce water bottle. And I've been trying to drink as much as possible. I don't know if I can make sure that I drink that much, but I've been trying to drink as much as I can so that I can stay hydrated. And it's been easier for me to at work than at home. But honestly, it's not, you know, as long as I drink most of it, I don't think there's going to be a problem. So that is it for this week in my health and wellness planner. I hope you guys liked seeing how I'm planning out my week. As you know, this bottom section is going to be left blank for my food tracking, and then I don't remember if I explained it, but these boxes are going to be for my sleep, my steps, my mood, and my energy level. And obviously it's not going to all fit in that box, so any of the blank space is where I'll write that. I'm going to also have the trackers in my planner that you guys saw, so just in case I need to just write them in there instead. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Check out the description box below for various playlists related to all of the different categories of crafting and planning that I share. They are listed in different categories depending on what kind of planner it is. And if you want to see more from my health planner, you can check out the health and wellness playlist. It will be linked in the description box and at the end of this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.